Hi friends, welcome to Kaliyona. Thank you for your interest to learn Kannada. In this video, we will see the words related to time in Kannada.
This is the detailed course structure, and today we will focus on the calendar module. If you are watching this video on YouTube, please visit our website kaliyona.com. To support the learning, we do have interactive quizzes and discussions. Upon successful completion, you would also be receiving course completion certificate. Time,
Samaya, samaya,
minute,
nimisha, nimisha,
hour,
gante, gante,
half an hour,
arda, gante, arda gante.
second,
ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣ
morning,
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ
afternoon,
ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ
evening,
ಸಂಜೆ ಸಂಜೆ
night,
ರಾತ್ರಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ
Now, let us see how to use these in sentences. Now, time is 4 o'clock.
ಈಗ ಸಮಯ 4 ಗಂಟೆ ಈಗ ಸಮಯ 4 ಗಂಟೆ
Game starts at 6 o'clock in the evening.
ಆಟ ಸಂಜೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಶುರು ಆಟ ಸಂಜೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಶುರು
Eat at 2 o'clock.
2 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡು 2 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡು
Afternoon, I will go to shop for 30 minutes.
ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ನಾನು 30 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೀನಿ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ನಾನು 30 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೀನಿ
In our next video, let's get familiarized with birds in Kannada. Thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು
If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and do leave your comments below. Do not forget to share this video with your friends.